The meat industry has long been linked to animal suffering and harmful effects on the environment, but for meat lovers, saying goodbye to chicken wings or a juicy hamburger isn't always an easy decision. Now, a new IndieGogo campaign claims to have found a cruelty-free solution, and it doesn't require giving up your favorite foods. Israeli startup supermeat is working to develop a way to grow meal-ready meat in the lab using tissue samples from a chicken, with hopes real animal meat can one day be mass-produced without actually harming any animals. According to the campaign, cultured meat can be healthier, more humane, and could even help to fight world hunger. While it's early in the development process, supermeat says its product is expected to cost just $5 per pound, according to Gizmag. We were looking for the best way to end animal suffering, but also be realistic about meat-eating habits, the campaign explains. The startup's cultured meat would use a small tissue sample from a chicken, collected without harming the animal, they say. These cells would be grown and duplicated in a nutrient soup, allowing them to form tissues and eventually, actual meat. It wouldn't just taste like chicken, it is chicken, without the negative impacts, they argue. Our technology allows us to expand cells isolated from a small tissue biopsy taken without hurting the animals, explained Professor Wynamias, head of research and founder in the campaign video. We organize these cells into minuscule tissues and place them in a unique environment that is designed to perfectly mimic animal physiology, allowing those small tissues to organically grow into large muscles, essentially just like they do in nature. The startup has so far raised more than $122,000, passing its initial goal. But, they now hope to raise $500,000 to develop the proof-of-concept machine, and say it will take roughly $2.5 million to bring about a cost-efficient prototype of the lab-grown meat. The campaign argues that cultured meat could one day revolutionize the industry, helping to reduce carbon emissions and increase food safety around the world. For the same amount of meat, cultured meat uses 99% less land, emits up to 96% less greenhouse gases, and uses up to 96% less water than the meat industry today, the video explains. Eventually, they say a system of this kind could be mass-produced to become available in restaurants or even home kitchens. And, as it requires very little resources to make, they say supermeat could help bring food to areas of the world that are in need. Along with this, lab-grown meat has potential to be healthier than conventional meat due to the possibility of supervision throughout the growing process, and far cheaper than growing and feeding billions of animals.